There you go, try that.
Dude, we have tools. Where are we at? Are we about to hit land?
No, I'm looking. I mean, we're 100 feet, 200 feet from land right now. We're okay. Hey guys, I'm up here at the lake with the gang and we're trying to get all the boats ready for summer, but I found some old footage from last year after we rebuilt the outdrive on Cody's boat and we went to go test it out. We did it at night and then my Sandal ended up killing his boat. I'm gonna show you how that happened. So here's some footage from last year. It's with an old GoPro 9, so I didn't have the good camera with me. The quality's not that great. But if you want to see what happens when two idiots break down at 2 in the morning on a boat on a lake and how we fix it, here we go. What's up, guys? All right, so it's a week before 4th of July. We're trying to get Cody's boat, the old Mariah, the big block, the 454, out on the water to test it. The old Earnhardt Jr. forklift. All right, man, light it up. Oh, good. Oh. We'll go around here, make sure he doesn't crash off into the side of the shop. So you guys know what the idea is. We dump the boat in the water at night. You see, the sun's going down. And that way, when we're at the ramp, and it starts filling with water, no one's there, we're not holding the ramp up. All right. That was 15 minutes just to get your boat to where you can hook it up. So after the gang spent a couple weekends rebuilding Cody's outdrive, it was finally time to test this thing out.
See what you're doing. Barely.
Yeah.
Where am I at as far as the edge?
Don't go any more this way. It's looking good though. Fire her up. Let's see if your water pump still works.
For one, fucking paint job. I want their wrap.
Yeah,
on this boat.
Yeah, that looks good. Looks cool. I like it. I can tell the pump's working because these are cool. That's good. But they were getting hot. You're in there. Okay. Alright, it's still pretty dry.
We're being a little quick here.
Okay. Take your time. Oh yeah, got lights. Yeah.
Look at that.
What?
Look at that.
Oh, you got one engine light back there. Your temp's coming up. Your oil pressure's good. Your alternator's 13 volts, so that looks good. Tach's working, full of fuel.
I don't think the tach's will work shit. Tach in.
Tach is broke, that's okay, we don't need it. Alright, let's unhook this guy here.
No, we damn sure didn't get steering back straight.
A live band was playing on the other side of the lake, so we made that our goal to see if we could make it to the end of that show. 21. Yeah, grab them sunglasses down there while you're there. Yeah. Thank you.
I think they got some Earl on them.
That's okay. That's all right. We'll throw those right there. Okay. 3 miles. 9 miles to go. Either way, we made it. All right, I made it to Bar Bay. It's about 12 miles away. A little windy. Ooh. Let's do some checks. Good job.
This boat ain't ever been this fucking dry.
Well, that's what happens when you work on a boat. They don't leak as much. Old Bar Bay. We're right at 11:30 p.m.
About that time.
About that time. Alright, so after we listened to that live music, we headed back across the lake just to explore some more. We were still just testing Cody's boat out, just putting some miles on it. We got a little breeze going, but we got supermoon. We got a supermoon out. We still got a boat. Let's go check it out. So we gotta make it back home in this thing before the storms show up. Oh yeah, it looks good. It's dry. This boat is perfect. There's nothing wrong with this boat. Seriously? Yeah, it's dry, bone dry. No leaks. This thing's perfect, man. Just don't throw a belt. Oh, the belt seems good too. It's perfect. Let's go. It's 1 a.m. Boat's running good. We've got a 3/4 moon. Waxing or waning something or other. Boat's running good. It's pretty calm out. Got a full tank of gas. We've got our designated captain. Has not had one drink. That's the main thing. Always have a designated captain. Okay. If you're gonna do the midnight cruise. Got this buoy. Ducks. No. Night ducks. No, too dark. Too dark to see the ducks. I gotta do a status update. So, we've thrown the belt, let's see, 2:21 in the morning.
It'll be fun.
So, now the question is, do we have the tools we need to put the belt back on? There's not even a tensioner on the thing.
Is there not?
No, not a spring-loaded tensioner. We're f***ed. What tensions the belt? While you're looking at that, I'm gonna see where we're at here. Okay, we're close to land. Yep, yeah. We're blowing to shore.
We're about to fire it up here in a second and just get the f away.
Let's see. We are 500 feet from shore. So in theory, oh yeah, there's I see the tree line out there somewhere. That's okay. Chunk your anchor out.
What anchor? I didn't check for that.
Oh, your anchor's on here. Oh, it's... What the hell? What the f*** is that? I think it's this thing.
Yeah, that's what's making noise.
It's got like a toothed gear thing behind it. Look behind it. See that weird toothed thing? You see that?
Yeah.
It's like you spin this and it goes down. You need to loosen this. This needs to be loosened. This needs to be loosened. But this crescent wrench kind of sucks.
You're fucking high, dude. What kind of crazy shit are you coming up with?
Loosen this and spin it, and it should go down. This toothed fucking thing. Or just try putting the belt back on by hand. All right, well, you better get to work, because...
Are we good or no?
Yeah, we're fine. This is sea trials, you know? That's what happens. There's a shoe down there.
Whose f***ing shoe?
I don't know. We'll figure that out in a little bit. It's mine, I think. Now, we either need to pry it up over this with something, with the pry bar, or you're going to have to get the shit to loosen that. Hold on.
We brought tools, right? I handed them up to you.
Yep, hold on. Oh. There you go, try that.
Dude, we have tools. Where are we at? Are we about to hit land?
No, I'm looking. I mean, we're 100 feet, 200 feet from land right now. We're okay. Get that primer up on there.
This is plastic. I'm not prying on that.
Well, don't pry on that then. Pry on something else, but we do not have...
We have a full toolkit. I handed it to you.
We do? Yep, we do. One moment. Where's your wrenchies? Oh.
Oh, no, it is 5/8. It is 5/8.
Well, yeah, loosen that. Okay, get her nice and... Oh, it's ratcheting down. Keep going. Ooh!
Oh, what the f?
It cams down, keep going.
What?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, now you get your belt on, you just tighten her back up. That's a weird design, man.
That is some f***ing stupid shit, is what that is.
That's awesome. We are 220 feet from land. Is it tight?
No, but it's on.
Well, keep going.
It did move up.
That's good then. How's it feel?
It feels like it could get us away from land.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, light them up.
Dude, this is shallow area.
Yes, it's shallow area.
God damn it. Hang on. Will she fire up? And
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're fine. Be easy on it. I gotta fix your socket.
Why is she choking?
It's camming.
No, we're in fucking dirt.
We're not in dirt.
We are in fucking dirt.
Are we?
Yes.
No, we're not.
Feel it.
You are. Well, trim up.
What the fuck is happening?
I don't know. Trim up. What is that all about? Why is it dying?
I don't know.
Trim up.
Because we're sucking up mud?
Nah, trim up. I don't see any. Trim up more. Stop. Okay, that's good. Yeah. That's perfect.
What?
Are we out of gas now?
No, we're not out of.
All right, well, keep it neutral and let her idle and warm it up. Might be hot. Yeah, it's getting hot. Let her get some water going through it. What the f?
Are we spinning shit backwards or something?
Okay, let's check.
I don't think so.
I don't think so, but I mean, it's a valid question. I mean, I don't see how we could be. Well, now it's fine. What the hell's different? Nothing. The temperature, maybe it's in a weird part of the ECU or something. It's too hot. Okay. All right, we're getting away from land. Can't tell out there, but we are close to land. So. We made it back to the marina. What are you doing?
Trying to find the fucking truck keys.
Yeah, find the truck keys. We're gonna have to show this. We threw the belt not because Cody was hauling ass. My Sandal apparently flew out of the little side cubby hole here with the wind into the motor, into the belt, and tore itself up and threw the belt off. So you can see little serpentine swipes on there. It tore that off. So my Sandal is screwed. And it has nothing to do with you hauling ass. There's nothing wrong with your motor. So, did you lose the truck keys though?
Yeah, we.
Seriously?
We got a boat. We don't have a truck.
All right. Well, find the truck keys. Boat passed the test. We did about 40 miles on it tonight. It's what time we got? 3 a.m. We made it back in one piece. So, boat test complete. Do you even remember last year when this thing threw the belt?
A little bit.
Why did it throw the belt?
Flippy floppy.
It threw the belt because we didn't have the doghouse over the engine because we were testing it.
Whose flip flop was it?
It was my flip-flop.
Oh man, that's
What?
the worst.
Why?
Because you can't even, because he gets to blame you for it, and it's like,
Oh.
yeah, That's all your fault.
Yeah, it was my fault.
We were
It's funnier if it was his fault.
we were just floating around in the lake. I think there was a storm coming.
Yes.
That was when you just shaved too.
Oh yeah. I'll have to cut to that.
Did I?
Yeah, you didn't have this gangly ass bullshit beard back
Listen,
then. This is
My
1
gangly-ass
year.
bullshit
This is
beard
1 year.
is all disheveled right now.
That is so annoying with this 1 year.
Why?
Because this part, this front part, this right here,
Yeah,
I haven't shaved that in 4 years.
that's 4 years for you versus 1 year. So, you know, lessons learned on that one. If you're testing a boat out at night, stay calm, bring your tools. And it's the old quote that people would say, even being broken down on the lake is better than being at work. So anyway, hope you guys liked that video. We've got more coming up. Just thought I'd get this little one out for you guys to check it out. So we'll see you guys on the next one.